The government has provided an update on its response to U.S. imposed tariffs affecting key export products amid questions over the timeliness of its actions. Trade Minister Manoa Kamikamica informed Parliament that a survey conducted by Fiji's trade mission in the United States has offered critical insights into the immediate and long-term impact of the tariffs on Fijian exporters. The data collected is being used to strengthen Fiji's engagement with the Office of the United States Trade Representative as efforts continue to mitigate the effects of the trade measures. Epramuarua with this report.
Government has assured that the interest of Fijian exporters remain a priority and that steps are being taken to protect market access in the U.S., which remains Fiji's largest export destination.
We understand the desire of the U.S. to impose tariffs. We seek proportionality, fairness, and reasonableness. Honourable Speaker, the Ministry has not been resting on its laurels, but has acted swiftly and tactically in response to the developments. Our response has been measured, strategic, and coordinated, aimed at minimizing potential disruptions to our
Last year, Fiji recorded $439 million in exports to the U.S. compared to $425 million in imports, resulting in a $62 million trade surplus. Despite the positive trade balance, concerns have been raised in Parliament about the government's reaction time. Opposition MP Fayaz Koya criticized what he described as delayed responses, arguing that the government should have acted more swiftly given the importance of the U.S. market.
Why is it that it took a little longer to react when we knew this was going to happen? Our missions ought to have been onto it prior to the announcement being made. It was a delayed reaction and urgent meetings had to be called, especially, Honourable Speaker, in light of the fact that the trade balance with the US lies in our favour. It always has been, and that's attributable to Fiji water. We export a large amount of Fiji water too. There are less imports that actually come from the States into Fiji.
Kamikamica maintains that their actions are guided by research and strategy, with ongoing dialogue aimed at securing long-term trade stability.
The government will spare no effort in ensuring that the interests of Fiji and its exporters, many of whom are micro, small and medium enterprises, are protected, supported and empowered so they continue to thrive. I urge honourable members of this House on both sides to stand in solidarity with our farmers, exporters, and support government in its ongoing efforts to engage the United States in good faith with a shared aim of securing a fair and enduring outcome for our people.
For a period of 90 days, the United States offered a 10% tariff for all nations, including Fiji, after which the tariff will return to 32%, a figure that Fiji hopes to negotiate to zero. Epramuarua, Fiji One News.